Hello! Today we will learn how to use a super mockup. In the green layer group is the smart object to change the floor. Let's change this design. Just 2 clicks. This is where you will insert your design. Active the dimension guide layer. It shows the size of the panel to guide you with the proportion of your design. When your texture is adjusted to the panel, go to the File menu and click Save. You can close this window or leave it open to continue adjusting the texture proportions. Click on the mockup window. Now select the surface finish, polished or matte. You can also adjust the intensity using the blend mode or opacity for best results. Now let's customize the walls. Double-click on the wall smart object and follow the same steps used to place your texture on the floor. When your texture is adjusted to the panel, go to the File menu and click Save. Return to the mockup window. Select the surface finish, polished or matte. Adjust the intensity using the blend mode and opacity. Continue with the other walls following the same steps. It's time to edit the colors. The slatted wall has a matte finish, so I'm going to select the colors that don't reflect on the wall. The window frame is reflecting off the polished wall, so I'll select the color that reflects off of it. In this mockup you can hide or enable decorative elements. I'm going to activate the flower vase and also activate the reflection on the wall. Since the wall is polished, I also want to show the soap kit. We can also place a mirror in the scene. We have 3 different formats. My customization is ready, and it looks super. Now just save it. Let's test with other products. I'll select the Smart Object panels, change the products and then save. Then I'll select the finishes. I'll change the colors of the furniture, checking if the colors are reflected or not. For this scene, I'll choose another mirror format and activate the mirror reflection layer on the wall because this surface is polished. That's it. I hope you found this tip helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more content like this. See you next time.